everyone, this is Gomathy Focus Academy. Welcome to Phonics 12. Now, let's discuss how to frame 3-letter words. Okay. First of all, you just take a consonant. You just take 5 consonants. The same consonants I have taken. The last consonant again. So what is the first consonant here? B. The final consonant is G. Okay. In the middle, I am going to place vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Now, see the words bag, beg, big, bog, bug. So each and every word has its own meaning. Okay. Just motivate your children to use this rule and write n number of words. Okay, this will be useful to frame many words. So how to read with the help of sounds? B, a, ba, g, bag. B, a, be, g, beg. B, e, b, g, big. B, o, bo, g, bog. B, a, ba, g, bug. Like this, we can frame 3-letter words easily. We are guiding our children through online and offline courses. Join us. Excellence is a continuous process, not an accident. Practice every day. Good luck.